Hi everyone, I'm Josh. 欢迎回到中文播客。
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica, and welcome back to ChinesePod. Today we have another grammar lesson for you. We're going to be looking at one of the most underrated, but I think super important elements of learning a new language, and that is how to sound like a native speaker, the dream.
没错，今天我们要学3种不同的短语，的不得了，的很，还有死了，让你的中文听起来更地道。
Right, so today we're going to look at 3 basic structures to really help you not only sound like a native speaker, but to express yourself more organically or more accurately. I know myself, when I'm learning a new language, one of the big challenges is that when I'm using adjectives to describe how I'm feeling, sometimes I feel a little bit limited by my vocabulary.
对。
So for example, instead of saying like, I'm very happy or 我很开心, we can say,
你可以说我开心的不得了。
Right, so that's like saying, you're still using the same adjective, 开心, but you're saying, I'm so happy or I'm ecstatic. Or for example, I'm very sad. It sounds kind of flat, right? I'm very sad. We can say,
我难过死了。
I'm so sad I could die. So it's a little bit more sincere or dramatic, and it's a fun way to learn how to make your vocabulary a bit more colorful.
让我们开始吧。
Let's get started. So our first grammar structure is adjective plus 得不得了。
所以我们常常听到今天非常冷，但是如果你想要听起来更地道的话，你会说今天冷得不得了。
Right, so we'll often hear 非常冷, which just means today is very cold, right? But if you want to make it more extreme and you really want to sound more sincere, you would say 今天冷得不得了. Today is freezing. Today is so cold.
没错，比如说你跟朋友出去，你会跟朋友说啊，今天冷得不得了，好险你帮我带件衣服。
Right, so in a situation where you would use this, could be you're out with your friends and your friend gave you a clothes or a jacket to warm you up. So you're like, oh, it's so freezing today. Thank you so much. Thank goodness you brought me that jacket.
没错。
Another sample where we would need to use something where we want to really show our sincere, genuine opinion could be what scenario?
比如说同事给我们煮饭吃。
Okay, so maybe our colleagues are cooking for us and we want to comment on the quality of the food.
这时候你会说啊，今天的晚餐真的是好吃的不得了。
Okay, so you want to say it's so good, but you don't just want to say 很好吃, it's tasty, right? Oh yeah, it's pretty good, it's tasty. You want to say 好吃的不得了, it's delicious, it's amazing, incredible. Okay.
或者是去约会怎么样？
Okay, so you're on a date and you want to know how is that going, or you want to say something to the person that you're on a date with. What can you say?
比如说是一个女生，你当然可以说啊，今天你真是美。
Okay, so you want to say, today you look really beautiful. But instead of just saying you look really beautiful, you want to sound a bit more colorful or more dramatic. You can say,
今天你真的美得不得了。
you look so beautiful today. You look gorgeous.
如果是一个男孩的话，你可以说今天你帅得不得了。
Okay, you look so handsome. Another useful adjective that we compare this grammar structure with is excited.
比如说你明天要去旅行，你可以说明天要去旅行了，我兴奋得不得了。
All right, so you're going traveling tomorrow with your friend and you really want to show them how excited you are rather than just saying, I'm very excited.
我好兴奋。
I'm excited, yeah. You can say, I'm thrilled or I'm over the moon, and that's
我兴奋得不得了。
great. So what if now we are traveling? We're already at the destination and we're walking around maybe a nice old street and there's things that we can buy. What can we say to really show how emotional and excited we are?
你可以说这条大街热闹得不得了，东西也便宜得不得了，快来快来快来捡便宜。
Okay, so here you're saying the street that we're walking on, this old street, is so boisterous or so lively. It's amazing, and all of the goods are ridiculously cheap, right? You're not just saying they're inexpensive. You're saying they're so incredibly cheap. Come quickly before everything sells out.
没错。
Our second structure that we're going to be looking at today is adjective plus 得很. So here, how it differs, how 得很 differs from 得不得了, is that the feeling that you're expressing is actually opposite to what's expected, correct?
没错，没错。
So let's have a quick example.
比如说，我们常常聊天气，所以你可以说今天天气很热，你觉得呢？
Okay, so we're talking about the weather again. He's telling me today is hot. I can say, maybe I'm from a tropical region. I don't agree. So different to what's expected here. I'm saying, what? You think it's hot?
很热，今天天气冷得很。
冷得很, right? It's actually really cold. So it translates to like using the word actually something. It's actually cold, opposite to what's expected.
没错。
Another example could be...
可能你跟你的男朋友分手了。
Okay, so my boyfriend and I, another relationship, romantic example. My boyfriend and I just broke up. So maybe Josh is expecting me to be quite upset, naturally.
这时候我会说你还好吧，或是你没事吧。
Are you okay? How's it going, right? Are you all right? And then maybe I'm better than ever. I can say, what?
好得很。
好得很. I'm actually really good. And what's my reason?
因为我已经交新男友了。
Okay. I already found a new man, right? Happier than ever. So that's an example of how to use 得很 to show that it's opposite of what is expected. Another final example could be...
比如说星期一商场应该没什么人，对吧？
Yeah, exactly. Usually Mondays, the malls would be quite empty.
所以星期一商场应该没有很多人。
Okay, so there shouldn't be a lot of people.
但是其实当天很多人。
Okay, but there actually is a bunch of people. So I can ask him, was it quite quiet today at the mall, expecting that it would be, and you would answer?
不，今天商场人多得很。
人多得很. So you're saying, no, there was actually so many people on this Monday. Probably not the best day to go shopping. Our third and final structure we'll be looking at today is adjective plus 死了. So this 死了 structure kind of implies like something to death, right? It's again very extreme, very exaggerated, and I think a bit more colloquial as well, correct?
没错。
Very commonly used. So let's have an example.
比如说我们常常说什么？肚子
饿死了.
没错，肚子饿死了。
Right, you'll hear that so often. People are complaining before lunch. I'm starving. I'm so hungry. I could die. Very dramatic.
或是今天天气很热，你会说我快热死了。
Okay, so I'm about to die. I'm so hot. I could die. Sure. Another example could be...
今天我们去爬山怎么样？
Okay, so I'm going hiking, right? 爬山. How's that going?
所以去了很多地方去爬山，我累死了。
Okay, so I went to so many places on my hike, and now I'm just so tired I could die. 我累死了.
在爬山的路上，我钱包搞丢了，
Oh no, I lost my wallet while I was hiking.
所以我急死了。
So 急死了 really means I'm so anxious or I'm so nervous that I could die. I'm really worried.
在爬山的路上还摔倒了。
Okay, so unfortunately, I'm on this hike. I lost my wallet and now I'm falling.
所以不小心摔倒了，我痛死了。
So here we're saying I'm in so much pain, I could die, right? I fell, 我痛死了. You're really exaggerating. You're really showing people how much suffering you're facing currently.
所以钱包掉了，又摔倒了，今天倒霉死了。
So unlucky today.
好的，今天我们学了3种不同的用法，分别是得不得了、得很，还有死了，让你的中文听起来更地道。
So we've looked at 3 different structures today to not only help you express yourself more accurately in Chinese, but to also help you reach that ultimate goal, which is to sound like a native speaker.
是啊，你开心吗？
我开心死了。
好的，如果有什么问题，欢迎在下面给我们留言。
他是 Josh，
他是 Jess，
我们下次见，
拜拜。
Introducing ChinesePod Recap, the app with fast summary lessons. How much time do you have? Join us in the beta program. For more info, go to ChinesePod.com/recap.